Good morning. My name is Sarah, and I am definitely what you'd call a morning person. I know it sounds cliche, but my routine really does set the tone for the whole day. The first thing I do is not hit snooze. I immediately get out of bed. Before anything else, I drink a big glass of water. I keep a bottle right next to my bed. It helps me feel instantly awake. Next, I do a quick 5-minute stretch. Nothing too intense, just a few moments to get the blood flowing. I avoid checking my phone for the first hour. It can cause stress and distraction. I can't start my day without a good breakfast. By having a sit-down meal, I avoid the rush later and feel more prepared for work. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.